Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this animation in Blender. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will let the project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So guys, firstly when we open our Blender, we will see this scene. If you want to change any settings, for example, change the camera or change our object, which is cube, you can add it from there, or you can press Shift A like this, and we can add plane, cube, circle, and etc. Okay, so firstly we have to create a close. So for that, let's press Shift and A and go to Mesh, and let's select this plane, and then let's zoom a little bit, and let's go to Move tool, and let's move it to the up a little bit. Also, let's change the scale of it. You can do it from there as well, or you can see it on transform. For example, let's change it from transform, and let's change the scale X like this, and scale Y like that. Okay, to make it symmetric, let's make both of them as a 3 like this. Nice. Also, if you want to see how it looks like, just for that, let's go to camera and right mouse. You can click to set active camera. Okay, as you can see, it's not fully in our camera. So to fix that, let's go to back and select this camera and go to Move tool. Let's move it a little bit to the back from there, and like this. Let's see the camera view. Okay, we can change the rotation of it a little bit like this. Nice. Also, if you want to see how it looks like in your animation, you can do it from render and render image. Okay, as you can see, it will look like this. Nice. Now let's close this window. Now let's back to here. Okay, nice. Also select this light and let's move it like this somewhere. Okay, I think this one is good. Let's see it. Yeah, this one is better. Let's close it. Okay, nice. Now select this plane and let's move it to the up. Let's go to modifiers and let's add modifier. Let's go to physics and select the close. And then let's go back to physics from there. Okay, nice. And let's go to down and open the collisions. Let's click to here. Okay, nice. And then select this cube and let's add collision. Now let's see it. Okay, nice. As you can see, it's falling as a one part. So if you want, you can change the parts of it. For that, go back to selection tool and select this close. Let's change object mode to edit mode. And then right mouse here and let's click to subdivide. As you can see, it consists of 4 parts, and if we subdivide it again, it will change it 16, and every time when you subdivide it, it will multiply by 4. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's 64 parts. And let's subdivide again, and one more time. Okay, that's enough, and now back to object mode, and let's see it. Okay, nice, very cool. But as you can see, we can see the squares. So there's a way to fix it. Let's go to back first keyframe and right mouse here and change it to shade smooth. Let's see now. Okay, as you can see, it's fixed. Also, if we subdivide it again, it will be more better and it will be really smooth. But keep in mind, if you subdivide it a lot of times, maybe your PC will run slowly. So you don't have to worry about it because it's normal. And then as you can see, our FPS is 25, which is not smooth. We need 60 FPS at least to make it smooth. So for that, let's go to output from there. Okay, nice. And as you can see, there's a frame rate. We can change it. I recommend you to use 60 FPS if you want a smooth animation. Let's see now. Okay, nice. Also, as you can see, it's dropping really fast. There's a way to fix it. Just select this plane and let's go to physics. And then we can change some settings. So for example, let's change the vertex mass. Let's make it 0.1. Let's make it like this and let's see. Okay, nice. You can change the settings from there if you want. Also, if you want to change the color of it, you can just select your plane and let's go to material and let's click to new, and then from here you can change the color of it. For example, let's just click to here and let's make it maybe yellow. Okay, yeah. And let's see it from the render window. Okay, as you can see, it's yellow now. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.